Hi, I'm Teresa Collins, and I'm so excited to share my brand new project kit with you. It's all about 22 and choosing one word of the year, a word that will change your life. Oftentimes, if I look at a word and I really internalize it, the self-examination and reflection is everything. So I've designed a project kit that you can do, and it's a basic, beautiful kit that you add to all year long as it speaks to you. Your mindset matters, and that you are a project worth working on. And that one simple word can change not only your day, your focus, but it can change so much in your life by being intentional with what you feel that you need to bring into your life. So I hope that you will join me for this project kit, and that you will get so much benefit from looking at and examining. I call it the self-reflection of your life. So one simple word with Teresa Collins. Thank you so much.